We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Temperature control. Food safety tips. Use a fridge thermometer to check the temperature of your fridge regularly. The coldest part of the fridge should be between 0 degrees Celsius and 5 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 41 degrees Fahrenheit.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.